Breaking news. A woman who sought court-ordered abortion is leaving Texas for the procedure. A group representing Kate Cox, whose fetus received a fatal diagnosis, says she was leaving Texas for an abortion rather than wait for a ruling from the Texas Supreme Court. Here's some of the story from the New York Times. A pregnant woman at the center of a legal fight in Texas over whether she can have an abortion under a medical exemption to the state's strict ban has decided to leave the state for the procedure, an abortion rights group representing her said on Monday. The decision by the woman, Kate Cox, who is more than 20 weeks pregnant, came as the Texas Supreme Court was considering an appeal of a lower court order that would have allowed her to have an abortion in Texas despite the state's overlapping bans. Ms. Cox asked the lower court for the approval after she learned that her fetus had a fatal condition and after several trips to the emergency room. The legal authorization she obtained from the lower court was put on hold when Ken Paxton, the state's attorney general, appealed to the state Supreme Court. It was not clear what effect her decision to leave the state would now have on her legal case. Here's the deal. She was granted permission by the lower court, and it's being appealed to the state Supreme Court by the attorney general to overturn the lower court's approval, should I say. So now she's going to go out of state to have the abortion. Some states, even my home state of Mississippi, are considering all-out bans where even if you live here, you cannot go to another state and get the abortion without being charged with, I guess, murder or manslaughter back here. Hey, look, I'm all about no abortions. I think zero. There ain't no gray area. But I got a problem with you charging people with murder for going somewhere where it's legal. That can be between them and God. I don't think the state should be getting involved there. But I am for abortion bans here. But if somebody wants to go from here to somewhere else and do it, that it's legal, I don't like it, but so be it. Anyway, this is going to be an interesting case to follow.